Hey guys, let's talk about what you need to do for body paragraph 1. Within body paragraph 1, our writing purpose is to inform and explain. So when we inform, we're just providing the information that we gained from our research. And when we explain, we're picking apart that information that we got from our research and we're putting our own spin on it, especially explaining to our audience how this in fact does show systemic discrimination. So let's look at the format we're going to use for our outline. Your topic sentence should be the same for everybody. This is going to alert the reader that your form of systemic discrimination is a problem. So what you'll do here is you'll fill in the blank with whatever form of discrimination you were researching. So let's read it together. It says blank discrimination is a serious issue that needs to be dealt with immediately. In this blank, you would either write racial discrimination, gender discrimination, tattoo discrimination, or whatever form of discrimination you've been researching. Then you're going to move on to inserting your first quote or statistic for support. You're going to use the sentence starter here. As this is a widespread problem, there are many instances of blank discrimination. Again, same, you would fill this in with either racial, gender, LGBTQ, tattoo, hair color, skin color, whatever it was that you chose, fill this in blank. This is what you wrote in your introduction as the fourth sentence. Is it in the workplace? Is it in schools? Is it in politics? Is it in society in general? What did you write in that last sentence of your introduction? That's going to go in that blank. After that, you can see it says an example of this is blank. This is where you're going to put your first example that you took from one of your note-taking sheets. Now remember, we did 4 note-taking sheets, but we only need to use 3 within the paper. So definitely evaluate which one is the strongest in order to prove that this is systemic discrimination and that it's system-wide. So once you've decided that, you're going to put your first example here. Then that's your information. Now you're going to get into explaining it. So here you're going to explain what the quote or statistic is showing. This is showing what? What is that showing? Here you're going to summarize the example that you just gave us. You're going to put it in your own words. And then you're going to take it one step further and explain why is it wrong? How does that show systemic discrimination? How does it show that this is a widespread problem? Why is it wrong? And use the sentence starter of this is wrong because. After that, you're going to do the same exact thing as you see for the second and third quotes. Again, you only need to use 3 out of the 4 note-taking sheets that we did. Or if you want to challenge yourself, you can also include your 4th note-taking sheet. But be sure that for each one, you're using the example that you have here, as well as going into your own explanation here. Because giving the example is informing, and underneath this is explaining. And you want to make sure that you're hitting both of those writing purposes within body paragraph 1. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know and get going on the work. Have a great day.